To take a picture of my tree for like a week and a half now, but every time I do, this area is like the pets. It's crazy bad. It was just overrun. Like, look, I'm going through books right now. It was over in the summer, so I just keep them in here. And I know, I could have really pretty styled bookshelves if I would do this somewhere else, which I might get another bookshelf and put it somewhere in the back so we can of these books. Like, we're in between my son who's read them and Harper who will read them, if that makes any sense, and workbooks for different grade levels. So I do have to keep these, and I don't want to put them in the garage because of the moisture. War wound, dude. War wound. Let's go clean it off. All better. We cleaned it and put a band-aid on it. You may do it or you got it? You gotta pull it, yeah, place it right on top. Okay, buddy. Are you good? Mm-hmm. Love you. Tough boy. Okay, so this is my first aid kit. It's got legit everything in it. It closes with these sliders and you just open it, and it's got band-aids, CPR shield, eye wash, tweezers, tape, gauze, burn cream, wound dressing gel. This is like antibiotic or antiseptic wipes, aspirin, non-aspirin pain relievers, and acid. And then this top section you pull up and you keep it like the top part. And then there's cold pack, gauze pads out at like at Eckerd's, at Eckerd's, at CVS or Walgreens. So you have like emergency first aid guides, and then one in Spanish. More gauze. First aid kit from Sam's. It was like $20 for the entire set, which is really good. And then I keep it on top of my fridge, and the kids know where it is in case of an emergency.
Those? What did they say? What was that?
Oh, did you shop?
No, like.
Yeah.
I'll be back. I'm gonna go get it.
Go get what? Your Dillard's card? Oh, did you forget it?
Yeah, I was here a while ago.
Nope.
I'm in love with this shirt. My husband doesn't like it, but I think it is so beautiful. I would so wear it too. I think it's so great. I think we might need
I like this basket. It's a little beer paw.
It's a beer paw. So cute. I'm kind of liking the laser tag for the kids. It's kind of cool. Look at all the sparkly stuff. So pretty. I love that tree. I like that the lights twinkle. It would get a little too much, wouldn't it? They always do Mardi Gras trees. Wow, look how pretty they look though.
That's a little too much.
Look at the bear, babe.
The what?
That's the bears we have.
Have.
Look at the lamb.
They got it back. They went here.
They did.
Is he dressed different?
I like to get ideas. Look at the fa la 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 la. That's so pretty. And the marshmallows. I love that tree. And these are cute. How pretty. Oh, he's precious. I like these. Little gingerbread houses. He's so cute.
His nose lights up.
Oh, he's pretty. Yeah, I like him. Look, the Santa's over here. Oh, look at all the Charles Dickens characters.
He's 110. Okay, look at this one.
He's pretty. Oh, the Snoopy. He's cool.
He's 60.
Let me see the front of the table.
Is he off at all?
Look at the bear. Oh my god, he's cute.
Oh my god, that is
That
funny.
is so cute.
He's the baby Jesus?
There's it's the Christmas play.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll stop this.
Oh my god, he's precious. Are they individual or is it a set?
It's Frosty.
Oh, Frosty's cute. Babe, are these individual or are they a set?
Yeah, they're individual. They would have to be. Then they're gonna sell them like.
I don't see, but there's no.
Oh, you have to look.
I don't see anything.
The Grinch. They're right there behind you, aren't they? Those right there? You're sure?
No, these are cardinal things.
Oh yeah.
Are they not? I guess
But
there's
you have to have the whole set.
not anymore. But they don't have prices individual. I guess maybe they just don't have anymore because I don't see. Oh, that's cute. We're huge Snoopy fans. That's what that is. That's super cute. Babe, did you see this one? He's
I like
decorating it.
I like the Santa Claus.
He's decorating his.
Is he right there?
I don't see him though.
Amazing. Just the box.
Oh, is this it?
Yeah, it's probably gonna be. Yeah, see.
No, I love the Grinch. The Grinch is so cute.
Look at this thing like that.
Oh wow. Does it play music?
Yeah, it's
Whoa, that's
yeah,
so
it's
cool. He's cool. He's like the only one. Look, I've never seen a Humpty Dumpty.
You know what? Next week, they go to 50%.
They do, right?
How much is it?
I don't know. Love him. He's pretty. Yeah, I like that. Santa. So pretty. My husband is obsessed with this one. The phone booth. Look how pretty he is. Oh my gosh, he's so pretty. Gorgeous. I like Ralphie. Always my favorite. Look how gorgeous that is.
They just got me.
That one's pretty. That one's really pretty.
Yeah, look at that.
The Nutcracker.
See, the baby's German?
He is a German Nutcracker. Look at these. Super beautiful.
If it's on the box, let's see.
I love manger sets.
Maybe not.
Super pretty.
Oh, 300.
Yeah, they're beautiful.
Yeah, these are
I
upscale.
like this one. Look at that cloth.
Very pretty.
It's got like, people want to know like where we got it from.
It's very unique. I've
It
never
is.
seen
There's
something
a
like that.
baby one. Love these in green. Okay. Hey y'all, I hope y'all had a wonderful day today. My husband and I met my dad at Dillards for a private like shopping event that they do. We found a lot of things that we liked, but we only purchased a pair of blue jeans for my husband. But there is a shirt. There's a Ralph Lauren men's shirt that I have been after since like, I don't know, maybe August or October. It was $125. It was marked down to $75. I think I could have gotten it for under $75, but my husband is like, you're never gonna wear that. It's so ugly. He thinks it's hideous, but I love it. Did you guys see the shirt, the striped shirt with all the colors? It's just so 90s. It reminds me of when I was in middle school and polo was like all the rage. Like Ralph Lauren was everything when I was in middle school. All my friends wore it. We all like had our Ralph Lauren stuff and we were like rocking it. And that shirt just reminds me of that. It's like nostalgic almost. All the colors in it. And I think my dad had shirts like that with like the multicolored polo stuff. So yeah, anyway, I really like it. And I think I'm going to go back and get it because I just like it too much. And my husband's like, it's so ugly. I don't want to be seen with you wearing that. It's funny. But we did that by ourselves. It's like our only outing we've had alone this whole year since probably March when we went into lockdown. But that is it. I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you so much for following and watching these vlogs. I really do appreciate it. Let me know what you did today. Oh, for Saturday and Sunday vlogs, these past 2 days have been kind of empty. Well, not a lot of stuff going on during quarantine. And the other thing too is my kids like to play with their friends on the weekends. So I kind of reserve Saturday and Sunday during the day, like for my kids. So I make sure that I don't have any errands to run. I don't really need to go anywhere or do anything. I do all that during the week when they're at school. That way I can be here Saturday and Sunday so that they can play with their friends, and their friends are like in and out of our house, you know, and it's just my time is like for them on Saturday and Sunday, and my nephews, so they come over and everything. So that is kind of why it seems like we don't do anything during the day, because I just stay around here so I can watch them. I like knowing that they like to be here, if that makes any sense. Like I like knowing that they're comfortable here. You know, they're welcome to my pantry or, you know, anything that they want. I'm grateful that they have that kind of, you know, like my nephews and their friends, my kids' friends. I'm just grateful that my nephews and my kids' friends have that kind of comfort, or, you know, not trust, but just they're comfortable in my home. Because it's like I tell my daughter, I'd rather y'all be here where I can watch you and I can see, you know, not be nosy, but be nosy, than like to be somewhere else where I'm like wondering, you know, at a friend's house what they're up to. So I just like it. I don't know. And I'm fine sitting in my front yard watching them ride their bikes up and down the street all day long, just because I know they're having fun. And I know that I really don't have, you know, very much to do because I try to do it all during the week. So that's kind of why we're just around the house Saturday and Sunday. Now, Saturday nights, you know, we do like to go have our fun, but that's about it. So that's what today was about. And then my husband and I did have that little private event we wanted to go to. I love Dillards for a number of reasons. They have great clothing. My husband likes a lot of their like brands that they carry. But what I really like from Dillard's are their Christmas decorations. So every year we kind of go to Dillard's and make one or two new like Christmas purchases for that year. We've done it for several years in a row. And this year, I think there's 3 things that we're kind of like set on. One is like a Christmas Santa in a phone booth that my husband really loves. I really love the statue of the Grinch, and oh, there's a nutcracker that we also really liked, a wooden one. But every year we go and buy, and this year they have the bears that we got 2 years ago. They have the bears. There's only one left though. And he's a little different. I'll put them next to each other. He's a little different than the ones we have. We were able to get 2, and there's only one in that store, but they're like $250. I think that one was $300. And we bought 2 when we bought them. So we spent like $500 on those bears, but they are like our favorite Christmas decorations. And then last year, our Santa, we bought him, he's a large one. We bought him last year. This year they have 2 smaller versions of the statue, but that's another one of my favorite Christmas decorations because it's Santa kneeling down, like paying homage to baby Jesus. And I love that because that's, you know, we are Catholic and that is what we believe Christmas is about. And so it's, you know, Santa's showing his respect to baby Jesus. So we just really like that statue. They did have those 2, as I said, this year, but they're smaller. I didn't see the big ones. And then there were a number of different nutcrackers and like peanuts, you know, things. And then I also like to go see just their Christmas trees and how they decorate, because I really like, there's one that has marshmallows in it. I really like that. I'm thinking I might do something like that next year for my Christmas tree. But yeah, I just love going and looking and having fun. So I hope you guys had a wonderful day. I will talk to you guys later. It's time to get ready for the week and tomorrow and get my kids to bed and showered. So I'm going to go do that now. I hope you guys had a great weekend, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.